Primula PCBGY 5450 DST coffee maker, capacity 6 cups, brand Primula, color gray. Special feature dishwasher, safe material borosilicate glass. Set includes 50 ounces borosilicate glass carafe, cold brew core, and flavor mixer. Easy to use, brew, store and serve all in one. A simple 4-step process. 1. Add coffee grounds to brew filter. 2. Pour cold water over coffee. 3. Brew in the refrigerator overnight, or longer if you prefer stronger coffee. 4. Serve and enjoy. Innovative design, made of extra tough borosilicate glass. Specially designed lid seals in freshness for up to 2 weeks and provides a smooth, drip-free pour. Fine mesh coffee filter keeps grounds out of your coffee. Non-slip silicone base protects the glass from accidental slips. Use the included flavor mixer to dress up and easily mix your coffee up. Perfect compact size, large enough for multiple servings, yet still fits most refrigerator doors. This cold brew coffee maker makes up to 5 servings of delicious, smooth cold brew coffee or tea. Endless possibilities. Use your favorite coffee grounds or tea and base your brew time on desired strength. Coffee lovers can add favorite flavors such as vanilla, cinnamon or coconut before cold brewing, while tea lovers can add mint or citrus zest. Effortless cleanup. This cold brew maker is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Includes a removable brew filter with a removable bottom to easily empty used grounds. Saves you money. Enjoy the craft coffee experience from the convenience of your home at a fraction.